What's going on, everybody? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Denver, Colorado. I am with the amazing
OLHA.
We're shooting fitness in the studio environment. Let's show you a single light setup and then we'll get rolling. I've got a Canon R5 with the Sigma 50mm 1.4. We have OLHA against the wall, and I'm going to show you a couple different light placements with a single light. Let me see what we get. Good. When your hand, ooh, yeah. Bring your face back this way. Love that. Good. Flex the biceps. There. Perfect. Pull a little bit more on that right arm. Yeah. When the glutes, rotate the hips more to your left. Flatten. Good. Turn your face more to the side. There. Right there. Perfect. Good. Bring your core towards me a tiny bit. Right there. Okay, on here, I'm gonna have the light above you. So that means that your chin's gonna have to be a little bit higher. Turn your head more to your left. And then tilt it this way. And then chin up, right there. Kick that right knee out a tiny bit more. Good. Hold. So single light setup, I showed you a few different light positions. You can have either more in front, more off to the side, or above going down. You're gonna get different looks with each placement of the lights, but a single light is good, but we can spice it up just a little bit. Let me add a second light, camera left. Ready? Love that. Good. When your hand's here, press down. Activate the tricep. Perfect. Turn your face hard left. Good. Super easy two light setup. One up here, one there. Let me show you another placement for two lights. I'm going to turn off this light, and I'm going to turn on the other light on the other side. Okay, all right, so that's what's lighting your face. So when you're posing, turn your face more to your right. Ooh, just like that. Yeah. Perfect, hold. Good. Bring the chin down to your shoulder a little bit more. Good. Good, bring that right shoulder to me. Now let's add all three so you see what all three do together. Just like that, perfect. Turn your face a tiny bit more to your right. Deep breath, exhale. Good. Bring the face back to me. Good, let's pull the hair. Good, and face to your right. There you saw a few lighting setups, showed you 1, 2, and 3, but next I'm gonna have her tell you a few tips from the model side, because she has shot a lot.
I don't need hundreds of the same pictures in the same outfit, in the same location, because I cannot post all of them. So better choose one best pose and make it perfect and move forward to another one. So this is the first thing that I really recommend.
Give like 10 more.
I want to make sure that my face look as good as my body, and I would really want the photographer to show me the outcome on the camera. And the third one is about details, something that I cannot see on the picture right now and should be fixed. I want the photographer to pay attention on it and tell me if something is just small details around maybe hair, maybe even makeup, even just something that it stands out in a wrong way, and not to regret about that it could be a great picture unless some details.
If you have any questions, leave a comment down below in the comment area. And if you have not done so already, please be sure to consider subscribing so you get updates every time we post new content about photography, fitness models, and lighting.